if it is at res is equal to n1 plus n2, I will add 1 value and n2 value and then assign it to rest variable. Else if we will check e.get source is whether it is sub or not. If it is, we need to subtract. Else if null div, if it is division, I will use another condition here. If n2 is equals to 0, then result this variable TextField result dot set text So what this code will do, it's check it is divide action or not. If it is, it again check number 2 is 0 or not. Number 2 is 0, we can't divide numbers by 0. It will throw arithmetic exception, division by 0. Here it is double, it will output as infinity, but I will give a message to result text field. I'm going to return the control to outside of the action perform method. If it is not, this code line will run. Then result dot set text. Result dot text. By using set text method, I'm gonna set the results what we are stored inside this rest variable. Since this rest variable is double, we need to turn values of this rest variable into a string. By using string value of method, we can do that. Res. Let me save. There are a lot of errors here, cannot find symbol. It is not a variable, it is method. We need to get source. We need to add brackets. We need to add parentheses. Save. There's no variable called result. It should be result. Save. 10, 10. If I click on add button, it will give the result as 20. If I subtract, it is 0, multiply, 100, divide, 1. If I click on clear, it will clear. Now our calculator is working. Now here we don't have any values. Now if we click on any of these buttons, it will throw an error. It says number format exception, Java.lang number format exception. That means we are expecting numbers here, but empty text field means it is string. String cannot be converted to numbers. So that's why this error is coming. To handle this, what I'm going to do is I will cut this entire code and then using try catch number format exception. Result set text. Result set text invalid input. Invalid input. In here, I'm gonna try to do calculation. If it is fails because number format exception, the setText method, by using setText method, I will pass the message to the result text field called invalid input. Let me paste the code, but we are cut from here. Then save, compile, run, and then as you can see, there's nothing here. If I click on any button, it says invalid input because it is throwing exception inside. By using try catch, I'm handling that number format exception. Now here the simple Java calculator using Java AWT.